Welcome to Full Stacked. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel at full.stacked for conversations on IT design and development. This is Tech Bytes, where we tackle one question in under 5 minutes. Today we look at two generic IT terms, Frontend and Backend. What are these terms and why do developers divide applications this way? My name is Goeki and let's get into it. Picture a banking hall. The lobby is publicly accessible. You walk in, see the teller desks, the seating area. It's welcoming and client facing. That's the front end, the interfaces that users interact with. These interfaces are primarily powered by three building blocks. You have the HTML, which gives us the structure, the bones of the interface. You have the CSS, which gives us the styling and makeup that makes the interface appealing. Then you have JavaScript that gives us the interactivity that makes things work when you click. The bottom line, if you can sit, click it, or type into it, that's the front end. Think of websites and mobile applications. Now let's look at the back end. To do that, we need to go beyond the banking hall. Behind that staff-only door where the cash and sensitive data live. That section is a secure back office with sensitive information protected by access controls. That is the back end, hidden from public access. And now that we have the distinction between the two, let's answer the question, why have this split between front-end and back-end in our software? We will look at two main reasons. The first one is security. Sensitive information like customer data, account balances, stays locked behind multiple layers in the back-end. Attackers typically hit the front-end first, which contains less critical information. This separation is fundamental for security. Reason number two, architecture and scaling. Back to the analogy of the bank. You want to renovate the lobby, you don't touch the vault. Same case with the software. Designers can refresh the front end without risking core business logic in the back end. When traffic surges, one can scale what they need. You can add a mobile app in addition to the website interface without rebuilding backend infrastructure. It allows for upgrading independently, making the architecture more efficient and more resilient. And that is your Tech Byte for today.